Hi there, Bright Beans. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to guess which house pets make each sound. Are you ready? Let's go. What pet makes this sound? It's a dog. Dogs love to play fetch and wag their tails. What pet makes this sound? It's a cat. Cats love to nap, sometimes all day long. What pet makes this sound? It's a parrot. Parrots can copy sounds and even talk. What pet makes this sound? It's a hamster. Hamsters run on little wheels at night. What pet makes this sound? It's a guinea pig. Guinea pigs make happy squeaks when they're excited. What pet makes this sound? It's a rabbit. Rabbits love to munch on carrots and hop around. What pet makes this sound? It's a fish. Fish don't talk, but they blow bubbles and swim all day. What pet makes this sound? It's a ferret. Ferrets are super curious and love to explore. What pet makes this sound? It's a turtle. Turtles carry their homes on their backs, their shell. What pet makes this sound? It's a canary. Canaries love to sing cheerful songs in the morning. You did such a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guessing games, fun songs, and learning adventures. See you next time, Bright Beans. Bye-bye.